Hi everyone, welcome back to Essie Cooks. In this video, we're going to make another delicious Greek yogurt bowl. This one is so balanced and so delicious because the pear is going to be the star of the show for this one. The caramelized pear on top is honestly so good, especially if you have a couple old pears in the house or pears are in season. They are honestly the most underrated fruit in my opinion. We grow them here in Kelowna and they are just so delicious. And this is such a good winter snack. So 1 pear per person we're going to start with and just scoop out the middle there. We're going to put a pan on medium heat. You can use butter, olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, whatever you want. Just a little bit of oil there to cook the pears. Now, you're going to want to cook them a few minutes on each side. Make sure they don't burn. We want them caramelized. You can start with medium heat and then turn the heat down. Now, if your pears are pretty hard or they aren't very ripe, you can easily steam them to help them cook more. And in this case, I ended up steaming them. Just add a little bit of water and cover it. Just be careful with this. Steam them for a few minutes, keep checking on them. Then we're going to drizzle a little bit of honey or maple syrup on top of each pear. If you want the exact measurements, that is on the blog. Sprinkle each one with a little bit of cinnamon and then flip them over so that honey or maple syrup and cinnamon just really browns up nice and golden brown in the pan. You can see how nice and cooked these are. We want them to be a bit soft so they're easy to just cut into with a spoon. So good, honestly, on this. And this feels gourmet, so if you have guests over, you can serve this to them and they're going to love it if they love this kind of breakfast or snack. And it just looks so fancy and it's honestly really easy to make. We're doing this all in this one frying pan. Now you can see there, that's exactly how I'm looking for the pears to be cooked. And look how pretty they look too. Now I'm going to make a little granola in the pan, just really quick, 1/4 cup of oats per serving. And then again, a little drizzle of either honey or maple syrup, medium heat, and then crank it down. Again, we don't want them to burn. You want to keep these moving. Cinnamon, of course, for flavor. Keep moving those around in the pan. Do not let them burn. That is the thing with cooking a stovetop type granola, is that it can burn. So you have to be really careful with this. Do not leave it alone. And then for extra fiber and nutrients, I'm going to add some chia seeds and some hemp hearts. So that's just going to add so many health benefits to this bowl. This is so healthy. You can eat this on a weekday. You can make it really fast. I think this took like less than 10 minutes. A little pinch of salt, of course. Now, any Greek yogurt that you prefer, about 3/4 cup to 1 cup per serving. Greek yogurt is high in protein. You can get vegan high protein Greek style yogurt as well. So it's whatever you want to put on here. I threw that granola in the freezer for a few minutes just to harden it up so I could get little chunks out of it. And if you buy granola, you can just use your purchased granola. You don't have to make this granola in the pan. You can just make the pear like this, yogurt. Honestly, so easy and so good. So I'm going to sprinkle that granola on top. It actually made a pretty generous amount of granola considering it was just 1/4 cup of oats per. And you can see those little chunks actually turned out really good. But of course, the highlight was this pear. And look at how easy it is just to cut that off with the spoon. And it was so delicious. If you love pears, I think you're going to love this. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to hit like and subscribe for more like this.